Hi there, friends. So finish the sentence. How can someone so smart do such a thing? How can someone so smart do such a thing? So you're probably thinking, how can someone so smart do such a stupid thing, such a careless thing, such irrational thing? But hey, let's face it, we've all been that person. I know I have, and we've all experienced it. So why is that so? And what does it have to do with selling? So I picked this up from when I was coaching a client of mine, and I noticed that he focused a lot of things on data and research and trying to persuade the clients, and he doesn't always win from that. So I shared this example with him, and it stemmed from a professor called John Haidt from NYU. He came up with this beautiful metaphor and analogy called the rider on the elephant. The rider on the elephant. So the rider represents your logical side, your reasoning, and the elephant represents your emotional. Rider on the elephant. So from afar, it looks like the rider is in control, right? The rider has coached and trained the elephant well to do his tricks, and looks like he's in control. But we all know if the two of them get into an argument, we all know the elephant's going to win. That's like a no-brainer. So when it comes to sales, I've seen a lot of times that salespeople, salesperson, the presentation, they focus a lot on the rider. They're trying to persuade the rider to go a certain way. For example, you might see that let's give them more data, more research, more stats. Here are 10 reasons why you should believe why we are better. Here is why what we say is right and you are wrong. And here's why these are better for you. They're trying to appeal to the rider and forget about the elephant completely. Where in fact, the best way to persuade somebody is actually to spend time speaking to the elephant. Because if the elephant is on your side, everything will go smoothly. However, if the elephant is not on your side, no amount of persuasion will help. Because think about it this way. Have you ever seen or people show you stats, research, and you say to them this, it just doesn't feel right. It just doesn't feel right because your elephant and the rider is not on the same page. Now, I'm going to share with you 3 ways and 3 questions that you can appeal to the elephant a little bit more. It's not foolproof, but it will work most of the time. And here are the 3 things. Number one, you can ask people when you are speaking to them, say to them, hey, listen, what's occupying your thoughts at work right now? Number two, why does this matter to you so much? What is the significance it holds for you? And number 3, which is my favorite, I call the acronym AWS. It stands for and what else. So it's when you speak to people, let them explain, and they say, and what else? Let them explain some more, and what else? Eventually they'll say nothing else. But then you get to the core. And what else? It's a very, very powerful tool, and it's one of my favorite questions to ask people. So go ahead and try it out, and I hope you win more sales. See you next time. Bye now.